There's so many ways to start your Tesla. In today's quick tip, I'm going to teach you all the ways to start your Tesla. Now, Tesla and all electric cars should always automatically start the second you get in. However, many car manufacturers require a push to start option and accessory mode, which makes no sense. But with Teslas, the second you enter the car and sit in it, things turn on. And if you wanted to drive away, just put your foot on the brake and drive. If you have your Tesla linked to your phone with Bluetooth, the car knows the key is with you, and again, you could just put your foot on the brake and that's it. If the phone key isn't working for some reason, however, you can place your key card in the wireless charging pad on the driver's side with the Model S and X. But if you have an older Model 3 or a Model Y, it would be above the cup holders. It also shows you what to do on the Tesla screen. Now, another cool way to start your car is if the car is locked and you unlock it with your key card, as long as you quickly get in and put your foot on the brake within 2 minutes, you don't need to put your key card in the key card reader to scan it. You can just start the car and drive. You can also remote start your Tesla on the Tesla app under controls and start, and then allow someone 2 minutes to enter the vehicle and start the car. This can be super useful if you have someone watching your car or watching your place and they need access to the vehicle. So those are the ways to quickly start your Tesla. Did I miss anything? Make sure you guys subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.